In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's built-in text editor to make your cards more organized, readable, and visually effective. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and collaborating with teams, but its true potential becomes evident when you harness the power of its text editor. Let's dive into the various styling options that Trello offers to enhance your workflow. To start, let's explore text styles. These styles are your go-to tools when you need to emphasize certain parts of your text. You can choose from a range of sizes, from the smallest to the largest text styles. To apply these styles, simply highlight your desired text and select the appropriate size from the editor toolbar. This is particularly helpful for distinguishing headings or drawing attention to key points within your card descriptions. Remember, well-structured text is key to keeping your tasks clear and accessible. Next, let's talk about bold and italic text. This is a simple yet effective way to add emphasis to specific words or phrases. Bold text is excellent for making certain words stand out, while italics can be used to convey emphasis or denote quotations and titles. To apply bold or italics, highlight your chosen text and click on the bold or italic icon that appears in the editing toolbar. These formatting options help guide the reader's eye and can make important information pop off the screen. Now let's get into lists, a crucial part of task management. Trello's text editor lets you create both bullet and numbered lists. Bullet lists are perfect for when you need to list items that don't need a specific sequence, like brainstorming ideas or noting down goals. Numbered lists, on the other hand, are ideal for tasks that follow a specific order or process. Utilizing lists helps break down information, making it more digestible and structured for you and your team. To create a list, simply highlight your list items and click on the bullet or numbered list icon in the toolbar. These text editing tools might seem straightforward, but when used collectively, they significantly boost the readability and effectiveness of your Trello cards. Proper formatting can transform a plain card into a well-organized piece of information, ultimately making your board more functional. Having clear, well-formatted content on each card ensures that anyone who accesses your board can quickly grasp the task at hand without confusion. And that's it. You now know how to use Trello's text editor like a pro. A little formatting can go a long way in making your task clearer and your board more functional. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Trello.